Hello and welcome to the PC Security channel. It seems anything with the keyword Fortnite is going to make news these days. This one got picked up by CNN. In this particular case, we're talking about a ransomware, which was initially spotted by someone called Leo. Interesting. So let's take a look at this one in the VM and see what it does. First, I will have to grab it from my collection of ransomware. Probably have it somewhere. Let's see. Sam, Satana, Serpent, Shade, Shell Lockers. Come on, Syrk. There we go. Just copy that. And let's go ahead and run it on the system. As you can see, it has a little icon that looks like Fortnite hack, I guess. I'm not sure exactly how it's being distributed, but I'm guessing maybe on some Fortnite forums and stuff. I've had my tough times with cheaters in CSGO, and I hate them about as much as ransomware developers. So I'm not going to say that if you cheat, you deserve to get infected by ransomware, but please don't cheat in games. But let's pretend I'm the cheater here. So I'm just going to run this thinking, look at that. I'm going to get some cool hacks and beat all my classmates in a game of Fortnite. Oh, crap. Your personal files are being encrypted by Syrk malware. Your photos, videos, documents are gone. And the only way to recover them is to contact this email. Panda. What an innocuous name, right? Panda831. A panda wouldn't do anything bad to me, right? At protonmail.com. This is another sad thing that always happens. ProtonMail was supposed to be this email for privacy, security conscious people, and now it's just become an email for anybody who builds ransomware or does anything illegal. Such is life. But according to them, after paying, you'll be sent a password which can be used to decrypt your files, blah, blah, blah. And apparently it has a timer like Jigsaw. You've only got 2 hours to pay them the ransom, after which your files start getting deleted. However, let's take a look at our files. So if we go into documents, as you can see, it did encrypt the .txt file, but not the RTF file. So first of all, it doesn't seem to encrypt everything. Secondly, this ransomware is actually decryptable in a variety of ways. I mean, what do you expect from Fortnite Hacktool developers? Right, so if we go back to our main screen, this ransomware actually kind of ships with its own decryptor, so there are other ways to decrypt your files, but at MCSoft we just decided to release our own decryptor for it so that you don't have to mess with any of that. So if you did get encrypted by Syrk, great news, you can decrypt all your files for free. All you have to do is download the decryptor. I'm going to try it out right now and we'll see if it works. Let's just go ahead and grab that in our VM. I do agree to the terms. Okay, we're not going to scan everything because we don't really need to. We'll only look in the documents folder because that's where our stuff is. And then we're going to click on decrypt. So let's see if our data is back. Go into documents. And boom, there you go. If you're able to read this, your files are safe. The data hasn't been encrypted. Well, in this case, it was encrypted, but it was also decrypted by the MCSoft decryptor. So in case any of you were affected, don't pay the ransom. You can just download the decryptor like I did and get all your files back for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There's nothing particularly unique about this ransomware. I think it only got a ton of media attention because of the link to Fortnite, but otherwise it's a relatively poorly engineered ransomware that's very easy to decrypt. I really hope nobody paid the ransom. But funnily enough, I've gotten a couple of messages in the last few days from people who are saying that they have actually been affected by this ransomware and their files are encrypted. I just wanted to get this video out there just so that everybody knows that it is decryptable. This is Leo from the PC Security channel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay informed, stay secure.